If your value proposition is weak, you're already paying for it. You just might not be calling it that. How often have you participated in leadership conversations where an issue was described as a brand or marketing problem? The website needs more work. The messaging is not sharp enough. Sales are finding it harder to explain what makes us different. But very often the deeper issue is not wording. It's commercial clarity. When a value proposition weakens, the cost rarely shows up first as a brand problem. It shows up in the numbers. Sales cycles get longer. Conversions become harder. Discounting increases. Pipeline quality weakens. Prospects compare on price because they cannot clearly see the difference between you and your competitors. That's why a strong value proposition is not just a communications exercise. It's a leadership decision about what the business most wants to be chosen for and what it's willing to stop saying, stop adding, or stop diluting in order to make that choice clearer. The strongest value proposition helps sales teams sell more with confidence. They help marketing focus on the messages that really matter. They protect pricing power. And they give customers a clearer reason to choose you instead of defaulting to the cheapest or most familiar option. So the useful question is not only, is our value proposition clear? The stronger commercial question is, where is lack of clarity costing us money? Is it showing up in longer sales conversations, lower conversion rates, more price pressure, more internal disagreement, more effort required to explain what should be really obvious? That's where brand, marketing, and leadership work becomes financially relevant. Because when leaders are clear about what the business means in the market, sales and marketing can stop compensating for confusion and start building commercial momentum. If your value proposition feels less powerful than it should, the issue may not be better wording. It may be stronger leadership clarity, commercial direction, and ownership of what your business is really asking the market to value.